CyTaka as well brought us together here and really witnessing one of the great platforms where everybody gathering together with the togetherness and protecting this great infrastructures. The whole world can jointly come together, not only in training the people and really raising their awareness, but also in spreading the cyber culture. And that's what we do. So thank you, CyTaka. Thank you for coming here.
Cybersecurity, bringing people together, this is the only way we can beat the challenge. And the challenge is growing darker and darker. It's going bigger and bigger. We see conflicts all around the world. The stakes are getting higher in terms of cyber threats and what can be done with the cyber weapons. And this is what CyTaka and what this initiative, I'm so proud to be part of it.
CyTaka. I think that this is the leading company in the world that deals with developing ways, capabilities to deal with cyber attacks, be able to prevent and to cancel the threat. So I'm very glad that people understand more and more about the importance of cyber. It is of course a profession, and it is very difficult to be one of the best professionals in cyber, hackers in the country, in each country, and of course in the world. And I would like to praise Doron, Amir and the others that came from Israel and those who came in order to participate in the competition. I would like to praise all of you because it shows how important is cybersecurity.
This is our goal, to take the cyber and to give it to the people. As we love to say, it's all about people. First, we publish the solution. We never give challenge without solution. This is one. Second, we bring people here to show how much time it takes to hack. So we always give someone challenge, but of course, if no one succeeds, we show how to hack it. And inside you can see many verticals of cyber. So this is the only way to start to catch the cyber and in somehow to give solution for safety for many, let's say, types of cyber that people even don't know that exist.